GM. Today, we're going to be spreading the message of vibes. That's right. This is the Holy Vible. It is a rabbit hole. Something that has been a passion project for me for years, a couple years. 2021 is when I first came up with the name, originally bought the domain. I've since put the original website onto this archive page. Had the team do it, of course. And there's deep stuff here. Originally it was just writing in order to find the right team. I've built that over quite a while. I've also been thinking about the biggest and deepest problems in the world. So we have a 501c3 connected to the project called Systemic Altruism, because the project is about aligning recommender systems. The future is making a Vibe university. It is about spreading a positive global philosophy and using cryptocurrency to do that. And it is about aligning status, what currency people hold in the future. Really is just a representation of where they put their faith. And of course, we have a big vision of what we can do with the big movement. As you can see, we've got Holy Vible repped here. So let's dive into some of the deeper aspects of the vibe. Of course, we've got an app. This app itself basically works like TikTok, but rather than maximizing engagement, we put an exit button. That's how we sort the feed. We sort the feed on the videos which empower you the most. And beyond that, we're going to be doing rewards for the top video every day, the top vibe. We're on a search for the greatest vibes of the world. We are aligning AI to humanity in that sense. On top of that, we don't just want to search for the best video vibe, but we also want to be able to parse it out into thought forms of text. And that's what this is. This is just the beginning of this web app. New updates going live in a few hours. And we have a leaderboard built. We're going to start a contest and give $10,000, a total of like 20K to the top 12, the 12 kind of best disciples. It's got good memetics. So part of the deeper vision of the Vible is that we are creating a universal meme religion that's pragmatic. The core basis of it is just thinking everything happened for a good reason. If it didn't, it's better to think that it did. That's the vibe. Here's the international sign of vibes. It's already quite popular. We've got the V. And we're just collecting all the top Vs of the world who understand this, who understand that from present reality, the way that you perceive the future is the way that we create the future together. Truly, the world is created by what we care about and how we believe it to be. Web3 and Bitcoin have this vision which isn't fully out there in the world. That's why we built a social media app as this onboarding mechanism to give people their first crypto wallet. To have people earn by watching is part of the future plans of what we build into the app. Dogecoin is this meme which already has shown the power of simply meme tokens. Because meme tokens are memetic. They spread. People share the vibes. And Bitcoin is more of a religion. It's more of this deeper aspect to it. So we're building an ecosystem around that has a lot of depth and a lot of thought into it. We have the NFT line here. Holy Vible. And these are the vibes. We have a deep dive down into what is the basis of problems for humanity itself. And this is a deeper big picture writing and understanding of that. This, is something that we plan on doing prints of pamphlets. We're going to have people preaching at universities with prints of the pamphlets plus full books, plus a megaphone. They're going to be creating content. And we're really just going to absolutely growth hack the crap out of this thing. I've been running something called Giphy Studio. And that's where we've gotten over 1 billion views for some partner projects just by spreading GIFs and memes. I have control of that system in terms of ranking them. I can show, a quick view of that. Have a lot of people that we ran it for in the past. For example, u.com. As you can see, 430 million views over the past few months. So this is pretty powerful. We're going to take it big time for Holy Vible. And where else can I just show you the vibes? This one's pretty fun. Enter the story. And this is a whole experience that you go through. I'm not going to spoil this. I want everyone to go try this out yourself. It's a way of packing our powerful message into a fun, deeper experience. Next, with the vibes. In this whole archive, it really dives deep into why this sort of mimetic religion is the future. This is the beginning of what Web3 was meant to be, which is a movement to move away from central banking currencies to decentralized forms. Bitcoin lost that movement because it lost its message. It didn't have a sort of team guiding its future and continuing to endorse and spread the core message. This has the rabbit hole laid out. And what we're going to do over time is just create more media content that's driving attention to this and then making that attention positive in the different ways that I've already shown. The web app, the actual app itself, which we have a ton of features planned out for. It's already live on the store. And then turning some of these deeper writings into videos and ways to spread the message and have people understand that all we really need to do together is to vibe. I'm pretty excited because that's all I really want to do with my life. And I think that this gives me the opportunity to just focus on that. Top V, baby. This is the future. I truly believe that. I wouldn't put so much work and effort into building this foundation if I didn't. I've ran and built other great companies. Something's always stuck out to me, which is building a bigger movement and changing the world in much bigger ways. And I see this as the opportunity to do so. I haven't seen a true strong community, a true meme, which has depth and deep purpose and technology built around it. This is a one-of-a-kind type project. I think we're going to win the social media war in the sense that it's inevitable that we build a platform which maximizes the value for the user. And that's really what our empowerment algorithm does. I believe that that's the driving cause of problems today, is that we have engagement algorithms which feed all of us with stuff that pushes us towards the bottom of the brainstem. We want to push towards the top of the cortex, towards the top vibes for every individual. Sort of feed which truly turns your device into a device and not device. Thanks for being early, and I look forward to the future here. Cheers.